Okay, please observe the next. So first done. Okay, observe this diagram. Two circles are intersect externally at one point P. This P is divide the R1 and R2 two ratios. Sorry, R1 is to R2. So CP is divided R1 parts, PC2 is divided R2 parts. If condition C1 is equal C2 is equal R1 plus R2, then given circles are touches each other externally. Next, point of contact. So PC1 divided by PC2 is equal R1 by R2 or R1 is to R2. So what is meaning P means point of contact. P divides C1 and C2 in the internally externally ratio 1 is R1 is to R2. P is equal, the formula is point of contact formula. So R1 x2 plus R2 x1 by R1 plus R2. R1 y2 plus R2 y1 by R1 plus R2. So what is the common tangent formula is, the equation of common tangent is S minus S1 is equal 0. Okay, write down. So very important this formula. P is equal R1 x2 plus R2 x1 by R1 plus R2. R1 y2 plus R2 y1 by R1 plus R2. Same as usual. Next, write down. Next, second diagram. So please observe next diagram. So if C1 C2 is equal modulus R1 minus R2, then the circles are touches each other internally. Internally. Okay, same condition. So PC1 by PC2 is equal R1 by R2 or R1 is to R2. So P divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2. What? Externally. So you take the symbol is minus. So minus R1 x2 minus R2 x1 by R1 minus R2, R1 y2 minus R2 y1 by R1 minus R2. So the equation of common tangent is same. Equation of common tangent is S minus S dash equal to 0. Okay, same formula. So important. So P is the internally ratio. How is came? P is there located and remaining C1 center, C2 center. Please observe this line R1, R2. Okay. In this observe C2 divides R1 is to R2. Are you observe? C1 and this is R1, this is R2. C2 divides R1 is to R2. That point P. Write down. Next. So what is observe the formula? Internal center of similitude. Okay. So P is equal P divides C1 C2 bar, that is the line segment C1 C2 line segment in the ratio R1 is to R2. R1 is to R2 internally R1 x2 plus R2 x1 by R1 plus R2. R1 y2 plus R2 y1 by R1 plus R2. Okay. So next formula, external center of similitude. So P is equal P divides line segment C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 external. So P is equal from R1 x2 minus R2 x1 by R1 minus R2. R1 y2 minus R2 y1 by R1 minus R2. Okay, write down first problem. Find the internal center of similitude for the circle x square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. So internal center of similitude, that is the point P. P divides the internally in the ratio R1 is to R2. Okay. So find center. First given circles S equal to x square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So first center. So comparing 2z equal to 6, x square plus y square 2gx plus 2fy plus c. G value 3. 2f equal to minus 2, f value minus 1 and c value 1. Center, first center minus z comma minus f, that is minus 3 comma 1. Radius is equal square root of g square plus f square minus c. Square root of g square 3 square plus minus 1 whole square minus 1. So 9 plus 1 minus 1, that is the value 9. Square root of 9 plus 1 minus 1 g. The R1 value 3. Next, second circle S dash x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 9. So comparing 2z is equal to minus 2, z is equal to minus 1, 2f equal to minus 6, f equal to minus 3, c is equal to 9. Center minus z comma minus f 1 comma 3. Radius square root of g square, that means 1 square plus minus 1 square minus 3 whole square minus c. 1 square means 1 plus 9 minus 9. So root 1 value 1, that is the R2 value. Okay, internal center. Internal center, internal center of similitude. That means P divide internally ratio, P divides C1 C2 bar internally ratio R1 is to R2. Then formula P is equal to R1 x2 plus R2 x1 by R1 plus R2 R1 y2 plus R2 y1 by R1 plus R2. So substitute all values. First center C1 minus 3 comma 1, C2 1 comma 3, radius 3 R2 1. So substitute, this is the x1 y1 x2 y2. So R1 value 3, x2 value 1 plus R2 value 1, x1 value minus 3 by R1 plus R2 3 plus 1, R1 value 3, y2 value 3, R2 value 1, y1 value 1 by 3 plus 1. So 3 minus 3 by 4, 9 plus 1 by 4. 3 minus 3 how much? 0. 0 by 4, 10 by 4. 0 by 4 value 0. 2 5 ja, 2 2 ja, 5 by 2. That is the p value. Okay, right. Next, find the external, not internal, external center of similitude for the circle s equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. Another circle s dash equal to x square plus y square plus 4 trans is equal to 4. Okay, no problem. So comparing x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal 0. 2z is equal to minus 2, g value minus 1, 2f equal to minus 6, f equal to minus 3, c value 9. The center C1 minus z comma minus f equal to 1 comma 3. Center R1 is equal square root of g square minus 1 square plus f square minus 3 whole square minus 9. So same. 1 plus 9 minus 9, root 1 value 1. So comparing x square plus y square equal to r square simply. So that means center C2 is equal 0 comma 0 and radius R2 is equal simply 2. Because of r square value 4, r value root 4, r value 2. Alright, 4 is right as 2 square, no problem. So write down next line. External center of external similitude. So formula. So first C1 value 1 comma 3, C2 value 0 comma 0, R1 value 1, R2 value 2. So P divides C1 C2 in the externally ratio external R1 is to R2. P is equal R1 x2 minus R2 x1 by R1 minus R2. R1 y2 minus R2 y1 by R1 minus R2. Substitute the values R1 x2, R1 value x. So this is comparing x1 y1, x2 y2, x2 value 0 minus R2 value 2, x1 value 1. So R1 minus R2, 1 minus 2. R1 value 1, y2 value 0, r2 value 2, r1 value 3 by 1 minus 2. 1 into 0, 0. 0 minus 2 by minus 1. 0 minus 6 by minus 1. So minus minus cancel, 2 comma 6. 0 minus 2 minus 2 by minus 1, 2. 0 minus 6 by minus 1 plus 6, 2 comma 6. Okay, write down next problem. So next question. So very important. Show that the circles x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 and another circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 equal 0 touches each other. Find the point of contact and also find the equation of common tangent or their point of contact. So same problem. So given circles number 1 s equal to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So comparing x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So c1 center equal to minus z comma minus f. So 2z equal minus 6, z equal to minus 3, minus minus plus 3 comma plus 1. Directly right. Same radius r1 equal to square root of minus 3 whole square minus 1 whole square minus 1. C value 1. So 9 root of 9 plus 1 minus 1, that is the value root 9 value 3. Same write the another circle s equal to x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 equal to 0. Same. Find the circle C2 minus z comma minus f. So minus 1, 2z equal to 2, g equal to 1, minus z minus 1, comma plus 4. 2f equal to minus 8, f equal to minus 4, minus z comma minus 4. So r2 is equal square root of 1 square g square plus f square minus 13. C. Very important problem. Square root of 1 plus 16 minus 13 root 4, that is the value r2 value just as 2. Okay, next line. So what is observed? C1 C2 distance of C1 distance of C1 and C, h2 minus h1 whole square minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square minus 4 whole square 16, 3 square 9 root 25 value 5. Same R1 plus R2 value also 3 plus 2. Already explained this type of problems. Therefore, since C1 is equal C2 is equal R1 plus R2. The given circles are touches each other touches each other externally. Then point of contact divide internal. Please answer. This is given circles are touches each other external, but external, but but the point of contact divides internally. So next to find out point of contact. point of contact. So formula. So what is the C1 value? 3 comma 1. C2 value minus 1 comma 4. R1 value 3. R2 value 2. 3, 2. So formula directly write P is equal R1 x2 plus R2 x1 by R1 plus R2. R1 y2 plus R2 y1 by R1 plus R2. Substituting R1 value 3, x2 value, this is the x1 y1, x2 y2 minus 1, R2 2, x1 value 3, 3 plus 2, R1 y2, 3 into 4, 2 into 1, minus 3 plus 6 by 5, 12 plus 2 by 5. So 6 minus 3, 3. Okay. 3 by 5, 14 by 5. Next find out equation of common tangents. Write down. So equation of common tangent formula s minus s dash equal to 0. S means first equation of circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 of s dash x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 is equal 0. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1. So minus x square minus y square minus 2x minus into plus 8y minus into plus minus 13 is equal 0. So plus x square minus x square plus y square minus y. So minus 8x minus 6x minus 2x minus 8x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. So divided by each term is minus 2. 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12. Okay, right done. Next problem. So show that the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equals 0 and x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 equals 0 touches each other. Find the point of contact and also find the equation of common tangent at their point of contact. Do homework, same problem. So point of contact answer is 1 by 13 minus 21 by 13. Do homework. Okay. So next, equation of common tangent is 5x plus 12y plus 19 equal to 0. Do homework. So very important question. Right down.